ever heard of snapping bots? They are automating trading scripts for DeFi. Some of them made millions of dollars in a couple of minutes. When a new liquidity pool is deployed, a lot of traders buy the tokens right away, which sends the price to the moon. The key is to be among the first buyers. And later, you can sell the tokens at a higher price and make nice profit. In this video, we are going to code a snapping bot on Uniswap.
Okay, you got one for Uniswap. Let's make one for Pancakeswap and Binance Smart Chain even. Yeah, I should probably change that. There we go. Change the screen name there. Doing this live, folks. All right, so I've already created an Node.js application here. So then we're gonna create a new one called app.js, and not with a comma in the name, please. Thank you. Yep. And then yeah. And then we're gonna blatantly copy a lot of this guy's code. So we're gonna start out. I'm working on another screen over here. I will paste the link here in the doobly-doo below as well. And then source code. All right. So we're going to just take that code here and we're going to do a give it to me Neil. Maybe. Yeah, okay. We're going to do a give it to me Neil. No. I want this part. Yes. All right, so that came directly from him. But what we're going to do is do this in steps. Since I don't currently have a whole lot of Binance coin in my wallets, I'm waiting on some funds to unlock. Don't ever lock your stuff down, folks. Alright, so we're going to change this up right away. So instead of WETH, this is going to be WBNB. And then I know these are going to be wrong, so we'll just pull them right out. And I'll have to work on the coming up with how we securely provide that in the future. But we won't be using it for now because, like I said, we're going to build this in a couple of steps. And this may not ever get built all the way today because I'm certainly not going to be able to trade. And the odds of us actually getting a new pool to happen in real time here is also not going to happen. So what I figured we're going to do first is the first hurdle is we're going to have to come up with a WebSocket provider that will give us the same sort of situation that's also going to be compatible with Ether. We hope, given the fact that Binance chain is a clone, this should work. So what I'm doing on another screen over here is signing up for ankr.com. I will pull a window up here. So here is ANKR. And it still wants me to log in. So let me go to another screen and sign up, and we'll take a quick look at my still cracking on $51 there, folks. So good to go there for a moment. So let me sign up over here on another window that you are not able to see. We'll generate us a really good password here. Alright, bam. Bam. And then, of course, they want you to confirm your email and all that rigmarole, which I am not going to show you as well. What in the hell are you doing, Google? And why are you messing with my live stream? Oh my God, I didn't want to log into that email, but they made me verify an email that I haven't logged into in ages. Why would you make me verify this now when I'm happen to be on a live stream? What was that email? Hold on. I'm now checking my email because I get what they call the squirrel syndrome here. I saw something. Oh yeah, okay, yep. The day job is thinking I'm actually going to work in the middle of the night on a Sunday, folks. That is laughable, actually. Alright, so it wants my password again. All that craziness. We will skip this for now. Alright, I should be able to come over here. Holy. That absolutely is my password, you stupid app. Alright. We now can show you this. Alright. So we're going to see if we can deploy a node. And we want to be a Binance chain. I'm thinking. And I'm going to be losing my voice, folks, but so this may be fun. Capacity alert. Go to APIs. Create. Binance. Binance Smart Chain. Project. Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Basic authentication token. Basic authentication token. We'll do token. Alright. I'll be leaking some details here, folks, but this is just data at this point, so excuse my leak of public data here. I'll probably have to generate a wallet too, because I'm definitely not going to want to leak my wallet. As much as I want to trust the YouTubers, I don't trust the YouTubers. So instead of Infura, Let's throw that in here. And then let's go find some contracts. So to find some contracts, what we can do is, we might be over right here, view contract. So yeah, that's going to be so this will be the pair contract for farming. So what I'm going to have to do, I wonder if we just go to the pools, turn off staked only. Do they give us information here? No. So this is going to be what I'm going to have to learn in real time, and we may not even get it right. So here's the contract for cake. So there's got to be, let's see, that's for liquidity. So there's going to be the wrapped B&B, but how do I find, this is going to be the unknown for me, folks. So what we're going to have to do, is I've done some wrapped B&B transactions here. So that was approving it. Let's go to the token transfers. I know these have to wrap. Oh, BUSD. Oh, wrap BNB. There we go. There's wrapped BNB. So there's the wrap BNB token that we need right there. And then these, well, see, yeah, that's sort of the thing. We have to, when there's a swap, I wonder if we should be using, well, no, since it is, see, I'm pondering if we should also be looking for cake as well as BNB tokens here. I'm not sure, folks. So what we'll do, so go back to my leaked address here. And so yeah, here's Pancakeswap router. So that would be the Pancakeswap router. But then coming up with the factory, I don't know when the factory. Pancakeswap router 02. Hey, these are just some pending transactions. Failed, insufficient output amount. There's the router. I wonder if we can pull up Binance being wrapped BNB token. We'll do the Google Jazz Hands routine. So potentially, there's the contract right there, but where do we find it deployed at? Yeah, see, this is what we need right there. So I need that factory contract. Bam. The old Google Jazz Hands routine works. Oh, Pancake Factory V2 right here. Boom. Why are these transactions failing? Pancake forbidden. Did somebody try to set fee to setter? Huh. So somebody paid 14 cents to get denied, or probably some of that was refunded maybe. So we are golden there, folks. There's now our factory. So now I should be able to we can rip all of this out. So yeah, let's rip all of that out. We'll keep that. We're going to take all of this stuff out. And all we're going to do is do that. So I don't even, and then it's just going to be a long time run. And we technically don't need this either. Alright, let's see if this works. And then so what we'll do, now, let's spin us up a terminal here. Maybe. So let's not. Oh, wait, I guess it started doing something as soon as I got rid of it. View terminal. There we go. Alrighty, so we are in the Pancakeswap directory. Watch pairs. Alright. What happens? Oh, yeah. Helps if I actually install the dependencies, folks. So, while it's doing that, and while I have a little bit of a voice left, still haven't changed anything. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting for my funds to unlock. But it looks like YieldWatch did update, make a little extra little graph here for us, and I've gotten a little more yield. Net worth has come down because it looks like we did have a pullback in the on the cake side, maybe. Yeah. Oh, maybe the WB&B side come down. I need to figure out how to read this. But we're still making money here, folks. Still doing what we do every day. All right, perfectly. So, okay. So I'm gonna have to leak a wallet. Can I not leak a wallet? And oh, I got it down here. I just want to view. Wallet is not defined. All right. So what we can do, I don't think this is it. Coin, app. I thought it was, oh, there it is. Cointool.app. Alright. So we'll go to Binance. Binance. Smart Chain Batch Wallet. Please enter number of wallets created. One, because I will not be using this, so feel free to hack this account as much as you want, folks. It will not be getting used legitimately. I will definitely not be loading my own funds in it. You can send your own funds to me in this wallet quite easily if you're so so willing. Holy shit. There we go. That's a hell of a mnemonic. Alright, folks, so let's save that. And, oh, I maybe have to uncomment. I did uncomment it. Yep. Run this sucker. And the thing is it may not have an output. Yeah, so it's running. It didn't throw an error. It didn't say go the hell away. Because factory on is not going to get called until, so what we can say here is console log listening for pairs to be created. Alright. Bam. So now that was that easy, folks. Are you shitting me? Hold up. We just found it in real life. What is this? Why is it? Are they? What? They're creating pairs. Oh, go away. They're we can't. I'm confused, folks. That happened that fast? What is this? Wrapped B&B. Versus Baby Dodge. Literally 6 minutes ago. 1 minute ago. What is... What are we watching here, folks? Like, literally, here's another one that was created. So there was BB4C. So that's your wrapped ether right there. And here's your Elion Moon. What? And here's the pair address. So nobody's provided liquidity. Well, no, this goes, so that's, I wish they would have tagged it. Bullpens. There's $2,400 of Rat B&B just chilling in this, whatever this is. And it's an LP pair. I literally didn't think this was going to happen in real time, folks. We saw it happen in real time. 2 contracts. More than 2 contracts? I don't have that kind of loot just like sitting around. Look at this. New pair detected. Boom. New pair detected. And then, of course, date now is an epoch. I should have known that, but it's detecting more pairs. What? It's all these pairs are did I happen to pick like a crazy night to do this? Or what in the hell is up? This BB4C9 is always staying the same. So that's wrapped B&B, and then this is the other one. What in the heck is going on, folks? Mace Windu coin. There's 4 addresses. 25 seconds ago, this was created. heck are we looking at, folks? So they did a transaction. Wow, they just provided liquidity. No, they transferred one BNB. And they added liquidity. What the hell? What are we looking at here, folks? This is nuts. So there's someone created Windu? What is this? Your guess is as good as mine, folks, of what we're looking at. Windu, nothing. Why would somebody provide liquidity? Windu. It's a freaking Star Wars character. I should have known that, but I'm not new Star Wars. I'm old Star Wars. Crazy. But why would somebody dude, what is going on here? And how would I keep flipping over to my real terminal when this is just emitting new pairs all the time. Is it that wild of a west on Binance Coin here? We may have found. I don't get this, folks. I really don't get this. Here's finally one that's not wrapped. This one's not wrapped BTC or wrapped Binance Coin. This is different. This is the BB4C, BB4C. These are two different coins here, folks. So crypto puzzles. And BUSD, they're pegging it to the BUSD. Okay. So crypto puzzles, somebody just like 2 minutes ago created this contract. 2 minutes ago. Contract went on the network and they put 100,000 and it cost them $4 in Binance Coin. So they minted 100,000 coins and then immediately went and provided liquidity. Nope, they just approved it for trade on Pancakeswap. So they approved CTV for Pancakeswap. That's all they've done. Who is this dude? He's got $10,000 in pegged BUSD. Holy crap. And this dude's got all kinds of other unknown. Holy shitballs. He's got 11,000, 17,000 different cake pools, liquidity. What in the hell is this? Weird, folks. I don't get this. This dude's got a ridiculous amount of money and unclaimed, like unknown amounts of other coins in this, and he just created a liquidity pool pair on Pancakeswap. see, it's not there. I wonder if I gotta reload. It's not, Window's not there. This was CPTB. CPTB. Yeah, see, this sucker's not synced ever. CPTB. Why don't we see it? I don't know, folks. This is weird. This is really weird to me. So this is the BB4C9 again. It's bad. That one's back pegged to wrapped BNB. But I don't know. MoonPay. Created 5 minutes ago. And they, are you kidding me? One gajillion. So there's a million, billion, trillion. Oh my God. So they've spent $3 to create a MoonPay token with a million, billion, trillion. I don't even know. So that's a million. That's a billion. That's a trillion. Are you kidding me? What's above a trillion? Oh my God. So then he transferred half of it to a different address. Then he approved MoonPay for trade on Pancakeswap router v2. He ran approve twice. I don't get it, folks. If all this is happening, where I keep flipping over there and I have it here, all these pairs are getting created. Bam! See, look at that, another new pair. And again, that's pegged to boom, another one. I'd be broke by now with this bot if I'd have fired off this bot on a real wallet. Alright, so let's go look at the real bot code again. It's not the right one. Where'd I put it? What's this one? Create a pool. Oh. Alright, well, let's see what that one is. ApeSwap trading bot. Yeah, so he just literally goes in to, yeah, we'd have to figure that one out. He goes into the and swap exact tokens. Yeah, see, this may be wild, wild west thing here on Pancakeswap, folks, because there's just pairs getting created all the time. Look at that, another one. Huh. Rolex. So somebody screwed up the name. So that must be a UTF-8 that got escaped wrong. So a whole shit ton of Rolex coin for a whole $1.77. And then they moved most of it over to a different address. And then they approved Rolex for trade on Pancakeswap router 2. That was that one. And he did it twice again. Oh, router and router v2. They're approving both. They approve both the old and the new contracts. But then, what's happening in the pair here? So that's that one. Holy shit. This dude put 2 wrapped BNB for 5 million Rolex coins. And it, what the hell's this? He's basically got all of the pool. Why would you put $1,200? Are you hoping the bots do? See, that's the thing. That there's liquidity there right now. There's a, what is going on, folks? And then this is the one we really only need to see. Safe James Bond put $122 into it. Are idiots transferring this shit now? So that was providing liquidity. That was the 122 liquidity. That must be the... There's idiots buying this. This has got to be a bot attack or something. Or somebody's seriously washing some money here, folks. Because look at this. These are transactions happening. Transfer. What in hell, folks? Because there was 729,000 Safe Moon moved. And then boom, 1,000,000. 261 moved. Is it by the same people too? Look at this. It's these two, the three are by the same. This dude. So then this guy transferred. That was a transfer. What are we looking at, folks? This dude, this is a bot. This has to be a bot that did that. Because that happened moments. I'm at a loss, folks. I am absolutely at a loss here because it's moving. Wow. There's The hell was that? There's transactions still happening, folks. Oh, that's my phone dying. Oh, we need to dial you out here and make you not do that. This is weird, folks. This guy keeps doing transactions. Had to censor that, folks. I've got my scanner on too. But this is craziness, folks. There's transactions happening right freaking now on something that you can't even see on the website. What is going on, folks? Because, like, I'm I'm assuming this list of coins isn't going to be dynamic like that. You would hope. How do they get to Uniswap? That's interesting. I wonder if Uniswap's also on Binance. It must be. And ADA's their own blockchain too, I think, too. What the heck? I am confuzzled, folks. I was not expecting to see anything trigger tonight, like a new pair detected. I may end up messaging our friend here. I keep losing his window at Eat the Blocks to have him take a look at this, because this is absolutely insanity, folks. There's live. I'm not on a main. I'm not on a. I'm on mainnet. This is not a test net. This is actual money. We'd have to figure out. Let's see. It's the same dude. It's this guy is just moving money around, but there's a couple other players involved. Wow, I wonder. Let's look over here. Because I know these guys had a better. I don't know if it works the same, or like if these guys. Yeah, see, they're filtering it. But is this going to be on all of. So yeah, I don't know how. I should have forked my own Pancakeswap first, I guess, which is definitely on the order of operations here. So yeah, see, that's going to be the problem. These guys' contracts are going to be the same. Are going to be different. Because again, I had to. So that one's going to be the same. Ooh. So let's click on a pair. Let's grab a pair address. So assuming this is just looking, yeah, see token safety alert, of course. So let's go over to Pancakeswap's version, and even though it's not, see, that's the thing, the sucker's not synced. I might need to go do it for ApeSwap too and see what we get. Yeah, see, data is way out of date, and I can't search anything here because it's not gonna match. Yeah, see, this crazy stuff's old. So even if I go check a pair here, this data is going to be old. And the problem is I think this number has been stuck there. So what we need is them to fix this nonsense and get us an actual block viewer. And so let's try to do this real quick for So we'll save that here. Oh, it's gonna oh yeah, well, oh well, it's gonna be the same. Alright, so then we'll let that copy for a minute. It's gonna copy all the craziness out of node modules. I should have not went that way, but hey, it'll do what it'll do. And I should be able to rename this one by now. Watch pairs ape. Files to paste. Oops. Let's do that again. Apparently, that was a bad thing to do. So we'll say new folder. Watch pairs ape. And then we'll rename this one. Watch pairs. Oops. Pancake. No. Alright, then we'll go copy, copy, paste, and then we'll change these. Watch pairs, pancake. And then watch pairs ape. We come over here. Alright. And then so ape. Oh, this will be easy. Yeah. So it's the same. Good. Very good. Alright. And then the pairs. Problem is I don't have Dex. There we go. Obviously, it's not going to tell. Here we go. So this is contract blah. It doesn't tell me what it is. Oh, did I do Pancakeswap? Huh. They ApeSwap links to Pancakeswap's repository. That's funny. So they literally forked it. So they didn't even try to. Wow. That's funny. And there's their router country, but how do I figure out where it's deployed? There we go. There it is. Ape Factory. Oops. And Ape Router. Even though I'm not using the router right now, I still need and really need it, I guess. Alright, so we'll stop this one for now. Because it doesn't exist anymore, really. And then if we go watch Paris, are you shitting me? Wow. I wonder why it's sorted weird, but I didn't let it do its thing. All right, so watch pairs ape. Let it crunch, chew, chew, chew. Mine some Bitcoin for a minute here. All right, so in theory, we wait. Make sure it didn't screw anything up here, so we'll go to factory. Ape Factory. Oh, that's Pancake. Ape Factory is 841B PDB LB. Yep. And I'm not using it, but the router is there. Yep. All right. Pancakeswap might be under attack, effectively, folks, because that was weird as all get out to be seeing that. Like I initially said, I plan on this being a 20, 30, 40 minute stream to get it up and running to show people that it can be done. It doesn't, you just had to come up with a different Web3 provider. Is all we really, and then figuring out these um, contracts here. So Pancakeswap might be getting attacked, or this might be an opportunity for Pancakeswap, but there's almost no. But we might just end up being, you might just end up smurfing some BUSD or BNB wrapped BNB off of people. Is what you could do is you could immediately um, like as soon as it happens, buy some and maybe even figure out a way to say, all right, when's the next buy some, and then listen for the transfer event to happen, because I'm assuming we can, yeah, see event pair created. We could also listen for on transfer, so as soon as somebody else transfers money on it, we could factory it as well. So let's go look at the ABI here and figure it out. So we got to go to the factory code. So we come to the factory. Alright. And we go to the contract. Where's the ABI? And we're looking for I only wanted to search in the ABI, but we'll get there eventually here. So there's not an event in the ABI we can listen to. Turn up table. So there's a create pair. So I just don't know quite enough about this to so here, let's do this. Let's do this. Sorry for the dishwasher noise above us, folks, but hey, that's what my office is about, is making noise, apparently. So let's see what we have here. Here's a pair created event. Basically, let's search events. So that's the problem. So the only thing that contract emits is the pair created event. So we'd have to go probably look at the pair. Actually, yeah, so let's go look at the pair contract. Oh, we don't. Yeah, so that would be the ticket. Is we wouldn't need to go like we were doing manually. And I've already killed it. All right, now here we can grab one of these. Pair address. Come back over to this one. Look at this. People are transferring money back and forth, but it's the same dude. Here, 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 here. It's the same contract. There to there is a different contract. But this do 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 boom. So let's go with the contract. There it is, transfer. Alright, so let's get this in a format I can use. happened. There's a mint. There's a swap. And there's a transfer. So what are these doing? Transfer. See, it's actually calling swap ETH exact ETH4. Somebody moved $20. I wish I understood what was going on more, folks. Because it's like, this dude started it, but then he went the other way. It's like he's trying to possibly, let's see, here's a different address here. But it would make sense if this dude's the only person providing liquidity. It makes sense he would be on a lot of the transactions then. So we got to figure out, this guy bought moon gas. Is that what I'm seeing here? Yeah. So somebody took almost all of the moon gas for 20. I don't get it, folks. Is anything? Oh, I killed it. How did I kill it? Damn it. I didn't think I killed it. I literally didn't think I shut that down, folks, unfortunately. I was hoping we could come back and see that maybe this thing was going on over there and we could use the web interface that's built for this to be synced up to the contracts over on Ape. But apparently Ape's not getting attacked like this as much, we would think. But literally, this dude is moving money around something. So there's 43C. This dude took for $3. Tokens transferred. Yeah, from the router. Oh, I don't know enough about this, folks, but that is wild. This is absolutely wild what I'm seeing here, folks. Because these are absolute brand new markets on a coin that was created moments ago. And somebody is gaming the system somehow. I know that. Because this is going here, bam, bam. And the router. I need to do some forensic analysis on this, folks, because this is crazy to me. This guy. There's other people interacting with this guy right here. This is a different dude. That's a different dude. That's a different dude. Or, I mean, it's different dude is a different wallet. I mean, it could be the same guy moving stuff around just to wash money. But look at 1 minute ago, transaction, bam. And other than bots, who's knowing about this? Because you can't get it from here. Because this is out of sync. So this has to be some sort of smurfing attack or some sort of here they are here. Look, what is this? No, yeah, see, that's going to be that many seconds ago because this is out of date, folks. I wonder if they realize what the hell's going on. Wow, folks. I am utterly confused. Yeah, absolutely, utterly confused, folks. So what I'm going to do is I will keep the Ape one running on a server. So I'll get this code committed to a Git repository and move this over to a server that can run all the time. It's the Binance. So this has nothing to do with, it's the contracts we're watching. So yep. So in mid thought there, I will get this up on a server, and I need to fix the time that gets printed. So let's see. Let's do that right now. So instead of date now, it's probably going to be something like get time, yeah. And then we'll update the pancake one too. Alright. And then I should have probably, yeah. Alright, so really, get time is not a function. But that means that code was called though. I thought get time. Now. I want a timestamp. I don't want the. I hate JavaScript. Time now. But like right there we go, folks. And all right, there's another pair, folks. Two more. Tied back to B&B. And we can't go look at it because it's on sync. There's already transactions happening, folks. Look at this. So this dude, $1,800 into some what? And then immediately added more, or no, it changed the ratio. No, that added more. Is that what that's doing? Oh, it's the other way. So we go here, add liquidity. Add more liquidity. And then swapped it. Somebody took $12 to get 134,000. Dude, this is Wild West craziness here. And then this dude transferred it back. Or, oh no, that might be the next. Yeah, so that's the input and that's the output maybe. And then yeah, swapped exact for tokens. And then those two are swapping even more. Again, it's another. It's the same addresses, same address. But here's a different address now. So this says Swap exact tokens for tokens, dude. Someone gave $5 for these fucking coins. This has to be bots, because how other else? Two minutes ago, swap tokens for tokens, and someone pegged it. Which I think is a path, but I don't understand how that really works. But it went from $5 a peg USB BTC. Weird. What are they doing? What is this craziness, folks? I don't understand. I don't understand. Alright, let's go back and look. Oh, why does that keep dying? I am not killing it. Alright, folks, so we'll, oh. Good God, I'm going to have to learn my JavaScript, folks. I don't need the time. Oops. Another one, folks. Look at this nonsense. Another one. What? Someone must be running crazy bots on these things, because this is a little bit nonsense now. So bam, snap. $30 seconds ago. So they just provided liquidity right there. Add liquidity for $1,200 worth of liquidity, folks. $1,200 liquidity in a coin for no reason. And then added more liquidity. Or no, is that the same? Yeah, so that's the same transaction, because it must, yeah, that's the same. So there's $1,000 worth of liquidity right there. $1,200 worth of liquidity locked up right there, right now. And it, bam, another one. I would be broke by now. That is wild, folks. I have to take a break. And we may ended up here, because I literally didn't expect this new pair detected to get fired so dang much. and they are pegging, or they are keying back to the wrapped B&B a lot, mostly it looks like. I don't know, folks. This is an interesting discovery, I think, because I don't know. So I'm gonna email our Eat the Blocks guy and see what he has to think to say about this, um, and maybe I can get a subscription or two out of the deal here eventually. So, alrighty, folks. Another new pair detected. This is some crazy stuff, folks. I fully don't understand it. So, again, this is not a valid wallet. I'm not gonna ever throw any of my funds in it. You can gladly send me your funds, but maybe somehow leave a comment first so I can pull the money out. But seriously, folks, let's not use this here. This is going to be for testing purposes only. Again, this is not financial advice. Do not do what I'm doing, or I'm not telling you to do it, because I am not at all going to be liable for it, folks. That is for certain. So this is what we're working with, folks. One last look at the code. Um, have any questions? Feel free to make comments, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will be back again sometime real soon, folks. I guarantee it.